Good morning, K2. It's a brand new day. Yay! Do you know what day it is today? Today is Thursday. That's right. And what day was it? Yesterday. Yesterday was Wednesday. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. And what month are we in? We are in the month of February. That's right. Happy Valentine's Day. Well, happy Valentine's Day already passed, but we're learning the phrase the whole month long. Yay. Okay, can you help me with the date? Here we go. Today is Thursday, February 17th, 2022. Yay! Okay, and this is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Yippee! Okay, now, stop. Look and listen. Look who I have. It's a friend. Freddie Fox. Say hi, Freddie Fox. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, are you ready to read the blend with me? Okay, what is a blend? Do you remember? A blend is when we put a consonant and vowel together. That's right. Okay, here we go. This is the consonant and this is the vowel. Here we go. Fa, fe, fi, fa, fa. Fa, fa, fi, fe, fa. You got it. Okay, one more time. Fa, fe, fi, fa, fa. Fa, fa, fi, fe, fa. Super duper! Okay, say bye, Freddie Fox. We'll see you later. Okay, now let's look up here and it says ABC 1, 2, 3, page 96. Wow, we're almost up to page 100 in our ABC 1, 2, 3 book. Okay, look. Let's open up to page 96. Who's that? It's Freddie Fox. Freddie Fox. Both of those words start with the letter F. And you can read the blend and color the picture. What color is Freddie Fox's shirt? Look at the line. It's green. That's right. And what color is Freddie Fox's pants? Blue. That's right. Okay, you can do it. Super duper. Now close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. The name of this letter is C. It makes the sound K, as in cat. Meow, meow, meow. C says K, K, K. Super duper. Okay, so right here it says writing with phonics, page 7. Are you ready? Let's get our writing with phonics book out. And let's open up to page 7. Right there, you know that number. And look, there's the capital C and the lowercase c. So we're going to start by writing our name nice and neatly. Remember that the first letter in your name is a capital letter, okay? And make sure not to go in the basement unless you have a letter that goes in the basement, okay? What sound does this letter make? Like cat. Look, there's the cat playing with the yarn. We just learned the sound of the letter Y. Yeah, yarn. Cat. Yeah, yarn. Cat. And what color are we going to color the cat? Meow. Do you know? Orange. That's right. What color is the yarn? It's blue. Okay, so you get to color the cat orange. I like orange cats. And then it says trace the letters and finish each row. Okay, there's the lowercase c and the capital C. Make sure to start on the red dot and follow the arrows. You can do it. Okay, and that is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.